Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video. So this was rubber and it was completely sticky. It is gone. I didn't have to scratch it, scrape it, wipe it, nothing. I just filled this little cup or this little bowl or whatever, tupper, full of this 70% isopropyl alcohol, and I just left this soaking in there for about an hour, maybe two, maybe a few hours actually. It was an hour. I left the house around 10:30 and it is now 4. So I left it here for 6 hours actually, which is quite a long time, but I was out of the house so I didn't even realize it. I came home, I pulled it out, and it was completely smooth. So it's definitely worth it, guys. All right, hit that like and subscribe if this helped you.